Hello, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make at least $40 every day, right, with this system. Now, I'm going to be introducing first off my personal experience with QZ Asset Management. Now, my personal experience with QZ Asset Management has been very fulfilling. Now, my journey to this point has not been easy, but yet, I must say I've actually earned good money with QZ Asset Management joining them. With just about $4,000, I signed up. I'm going to show you my own dashboard at the end of this video, right? So you understand that definitely I'm not telling you stories, right? So QZ Asset Management is actually a fintech company, right? That is into trading stocks and indices. This company was founded 10 years ago in China, right? In Guangzhou. The company has footprint in about 8 countries and 30 locations. QZ Asset Management just introduced their new launch of office in South Africa, Johannesburg. So if you're thinking QZ Asset Management is coming to steal your money and run away, I'm telling you this for free. You can take this to bank. So far, a company that has been in business for over 10 years and still opening more companies, more offices, do you think they want to run with your money or something? Now, I'm not a financial advisor anyways. I'm just advising you. If you have the money, you think you want to make more money, go ahead. Invested into QZ Asset Management, definitely going to get paid. That's for sure. That's one thing I can tell you for sure. You're going to get paid because so far, we're earning good money from QZ Asset Management. So without wasting your time, let me show you how to get started, right? If you're watching this video to the very last, I'm going to show you a secret I use to double my own income, right? I'm not making $40. I'm going to show you a system, a trick that you can use that will make you times 4 of that $40 I talked about, right? So let me show you first how to get started. Now, click the link in my description. There's a link in my description that will take you automatically to this sign up page. If you're interested to get started, first thing you need to do when you get to this sign up page, you must understand what to fill, what details to fill correctly, because any mistake, your account won't be signed up. So what you need to do first off, you see this username, go ahead and type your username. Let's say Big Sandra 222. Always make sure you use a word and also a number, right? You use an alphabet and also a number. So if your name is Sandra, for instance, use something like Big Sandra 222, for instance, right? Then in your name, make sure you write out your name correctly as it is in your passport, right? So write down your official name. Let's say Sandra Duke. Sandra Duke Basi. For instance, this is not my name. I'm not... I said Sandra. I went and used Samuel. Okay, like I said, this is not my name. So I'm just showing you an instance how to get started. So on the country, pick your country. Okay. So I'm currently going to use India because I'm currently in India. So I'm currently going to select India. I'm going to put my phone number. So in the phone number, make sure you see once you select this country, you realize that your country code will come up automatically, right? Your country code will come up automatically. So you don't need to put your country code. Just go ahead and put your number. For instance, this is not my number. So you can't even call that number. That's not my number. So I'm just using that to make you understand, to explain this video very well. So the next thing you're going to put is you're going to put in your email address. All right. So you're going to put in your email address, for instance, right? Then you're going to leave this affiliate username blank. That's my affiliate, right? You can use that. Go ahead, use that to register. So you can support me for making this video and also giving you this information, right? So this is a very important phase. You must pay attention. This is a very important phase. You should pay attention. So what you must do is that first off, read very well. Now you're going to use a strong password. Strong password simply means you're going to use first off an alphabet and also a number, right? So you're going to use, for instance, Window Boy 22. So you see this, I use Window Boy 22. So you're going to retype the same password here. You see in this column, retype the same password here. Exactly what you use here, retype it here. But for emphasis sake, you can just click copy, right? You can just click copy and paste. Then you now look at it, paste. Now, if you're doing this registration with a phone, click the link on my description. The first link on my description is going to take you to this registration space. Now, once you get to this registration space, the next thing you're going to do is for you to actually sign up this same way. If you're using a mobile, you're going to sign up this same way. It's same interface. It's just showing bigger on screen because I'm using a laptop, right? So if you're using a phone to do the sign up, be it an Android phone, iOS phone, whatever phone you're using, this is the same procedures. This is the same way you put in your details correctly, right? So the next thing you're going to put is you're going to put your transaction password. Let me explain what transaction password is. Transaction password simply means the password you use to initiate transaction. For instance, when you want to do withdrawal, they're definitely going to ask you for transaction password. So I always advise, instead of putting in so many passwords, for instance, putting in your real password and putting in a transactional password that is different from your real password, I would advise you repeat the same password. Send this, window boy 22. So you can repeat it, window boy 22. So you've seen this. Now the next thing you're going to do is for you to hit on this next. Once you are done with all details filled correctly, you're going to hit on next. Then you're going to go back and proofread everything you wrote, right? To make sure that you're safe. Now, once you're done with this, the next thing you're going to do is for you to hit on this confirm. You've seen this. I'm not going to click on that because I'm not ready to register another account. I already have an account, so I'm not going to do that. But in your own case, you're going to click this confirm and boom, you're in to start making money with QZ. Now, the next thing you're going to do is for you to pick a package. Select a package, right? Okay, like I said, I was going to show you different packages that are involved in QZ Asset Management. Now, these are basically two types of packages you can invest in. The first package is called the basic package. Now, in the basic package, you can sign up with a minimum fee of $100, right? $100. Now, $100 is going to get you $0.5 daily, $3.5 weekly, and $15 monthly, right? In 8 months, you're going to accumulate 400% of this, your initial deposit, right? So the first line here you're seeing here, this first line, the first row you're seeing is the packages fee you can join. So you can join either $100, $200, $300, $400, $500, $600, $700, $800, and $900. Then the next package they have is the elite package, right? I told you there are two types of package primarily you can join with. The first package is called the basic, and the second package I'm going to show you now is called the elite package. Now, in the elite package, this is the big boys package. Now, the least amount you can join with the elite package is $1,000. Now, with $1,000, you can earn $10 every day or $70 every month, every week, sorry. Or on the other hand, you can get $300 monthly, right? That's quite interesting. Or again, you join with $1,500, get $15, $105, and $450 monthly. Or you get $2,000 package, you get 400% in 8 months, which is total amount of $8,000. Meaning you get $20 daily, $140 weekly, and $600 monthly. So guys, just pick a package you're interested. I have a link. You can chat me up on WhatsApp in my description also. Make sure you chat me up on WhatsApp. I'll show you how to activate your account if you have already registered. First thing you need to do, don't forget, register on the link in my description. Registration link is also in my description. Click the first link there. Register. Once you registered, you have an account. Chat me up on WhatsApp with the number, the second link on my description, right? Chat me up on WhatsApp. Let me know your location, where you are, the country you are from. I'm going to show you how to convert your currency to dollar and pay me. Whatever country you're watching me from, be it Australia, be it Asia, be it Africa, whatever continent you're chatting me from, just be rest assured that you can join QZ Asset Management. This is a paying platform that people are making good money from. So I'm not going to lie you. I'm not going to tell you anything that is not true. If you have followed my channel for a while, you know that I bring in only good news. I tell you guys nothing but the truth. So if you're interested, you want to join this system that is paying currently massively, right? Do well to chat me up on WhatsApp with this number. I'm going to be showing you in my description, right? So if you're interested, chat me up on WhatsApp. Then I'm going to add you up to the platform. I'm going to show you how to get started easily, like cheesy busy, right? Very easy. Now, if you watch this video up to this stage, I told you, if you watch the video to the last part, I'm going to be showing you an extra package. I'm going to be showing you how to double your income, right? Now, the first thing you can... Okay, if you're watching this video to the very end now, I told you guys at the last part of this video, I'm going to be showing you secret ways of how to double your earnings, right? Initially, I said in this video that I'm going to teach you how to make at least $40 every day. First off, if you're yet to join my community, do well to smash the subscribe button so you join my community, that anytime I bring you guys fresh updates like this, you'll be the first to be notified. So consider subscribing to this channel, because all I do on this channel is I post only interesting content. Consider smashing this channel, so whenever I bring you guys content like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Okay guys, thank you for staying to the end part of this video. Let me show you guys my little ways of doubling my income, which you can also do same, and you can also double your income. Now, first off, the first thing you must understand how to do is that, okay, let me open that, hold on. Okay guys, yes, the first thing you must do is that you must join Facebook groups, right? Don't underrate Facebook groups, guys. If there's one thing that can bring you good referral, okay, let me tell you about the interesting thing about this platform. This platform actually pays in two ways. It's not a referral-based program, right? You don't need to refer anybody to get paid. But if you want to join as a builder, there's something called builder. Builders are people that join as affiliates, right? They join and they bring people on the system and they get paid. Does the system pay you 10% of any referral you bring? So any referral you bring, once you join, 10% of their registration fee, the system pays you that, right? So if you're consider running this business in a very great way, making good money, you know, in few weeks, just like myself, I've been able to make very good money in few weeks, right? So if you want to join just like myself, you join as a builder. So what you need to do first is that you join Facebook groups. Now look for Facebook groups that talks about how to make money online. Join those groups and share your posts, right? So you join the groups, consider joining Facebook groups. The next thing you're going to do after joining Facebook groups is that you are going to post aggressively on those Facebook groups. So don't just join a Facebook group and you remain stagnant without posting, without talking about it, because truth is, if you don't talk about it, nobody will know about it. So you must talk about it for them to know about it, isn't it? So the next thing after posting aggressively on this Facebook page is that, these Facebook groups, is that you beg your friends to repost for you on their WhatsApp status. I can't underrate this no more. I believe it's self-explanatory. So you need to beg your friends, those ones that you believe already have, you know, at least 200 views on their status in 24 hours. So beg them, tell them to repost this business. They are going to repost, and from them you can get good referrals, right? So the last thing I'm going to be showing you for the sake of this video is that beside begging them to post, you can also post constantly on your own WhatsApp status, right? So post constantly on your WhatsApp status. There's so many other tricks. Now, there's something I call secret, which I only share for those that are joining my theme. Now, there's a secret I use that I've actually doubled my earning ×4. I told you. This is just a casual trick that anyone can do. But you see the secret, I share the secret to just people that are joining with my referral, people that are joining as my theme members. They're the ones I give this secret to. So if you're joining as my theme member, do well to message me on this number on your WhatsApp. Message me with this number on your WhatsApp. I'm going to add you up as a theme member. Then I'm going to share with you a secret I use, right? The secret I use to make ×4. So if you want to know the secret, join my theme, right? Chat me up on WhatsApp with this number. I'm going to show you how to join my theme. Once you've joined my theme, I'm going to share you this secret for free, right? I can't post the secret here because I don't want it to go viral. People use it. It's just for my theme members, right? So if you're joining as a theme member, I'm going to show you the secret I use. Okay, thank you very much. Consider subscribing to this channel. Whenever I post interesting contents like this, you'll be the first to be notified. Guys, don't sleep on this update. QZ Asset Management is paying. For real, guys. QZ Asset Management is paying.